We're getting a hot start to a week that's only going to get hotter in Southern California. So what can you do to stay cool, and what can you do if you don't have an air conditioning at home? NBC4's Ted Chen is live in Northridge with information you need to know as a heat wave begins. Hey, Ted.
Hi, Annabelle. The ER here at Northridge Hospital Medical Center is expected to get busier and busier as this heat wave intensifies. People coming in for heat exhaustion, heat cramps, even heat stroke. So the warning is going out to be prepared. While temperatures were still bearable, people were out today in Lake Balboa, most of them staying in the shade. Umbrellas were another way to protect the most vulnerable from the heat as Southern Californians braced for even hotter temperatures later this week.
It's nice to be outdoors because the weather is getting hot, and it's convenient for the family to get out and de-stress from the home.
We kind of felt that we were ready for it to turn hot, but now that it's here, we'd rather it go away.
Among those at higher risk during a heat wave, seniors, babies and young children, the immunocompromised, and those who are physically active outside. Dr. Diana Lev is a family physician with Dignity Health Family Practice at Northridge Hospital Medical Center.
Right now, it is probably not a good thing to take babies outside, especially without covering them, without putting something on top in direct sun. This is actually really dangerous. Babies can't sweat. They don't really have sweat glands like adults do. So they overheat much, much faster.
Ways to cope with the heat include shutting windows and pulling down shades at home, taking cool baths and showers, drinking water regularly, and avoiding tea, coffee, and alcohol. Dr. Lev advises people without air conditioning to go to your nearest cooling center, and also watch out for your pets, who are just as vulnerable to the heat and the hot pavement.
Please don't do anything with your pets that you wouldn't do yourself. If you're not going to walk barefoot outdoors, don't make your pets walk barefoot. Their feet also burn, and they also overheat.
Other heat wave tips include wearing light and loose-fitting clothing if you have to go outside, but better yet, stay inside, especially during the hottest hours between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Reporting live from Northridge, Ted Chen, NBC4 News. Annabelle, back to you.
You know, Ted, and we used to avoid cooking always. We used to just make sandwiches or food that didn't require turning on the oven or the stove, right?
Salads
Yes.
and ice cream.
That's right. Hey, I'm all in for ice cream. You've got me sold. Thanks, Ted.